date night chicken pasta. So I've got 2 chicken breasts. They're not like enormous. They're sort of a nice, manageable size. And I'm sprinkling one side with salt and pepper. I've got a hot pan with olive oil, and I'll put them right in the pan. And it's gonna take just a little time for these to cook. I'll go ahead and season the other side with salt and pepper. I gotta get the pasta in the water so it'll have a hope of cooking. The good thing about cooking for 2 is you only have to use half a bag of pasta. You don't have to make the whole bag. Okay, so the chicken is now cooked. So I'm gonna remove it from the pan, and I'm gonna make a really yummy, simple sauce. White wine. Oh my gosh, is there any better combination in the world? That was a lot of wine. I didn't really mean to add that much. I just kept going. Now I've got this straight spatula, and I'm just scraping the bottom of the pan just to loosen up all those bits of chicken. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so, so good. And then I'm gonna add some more good stuff. Butter, just about a tablespoon or so, and lots of garlic. And then stir it around. And then already that wine is starting to bubble up and reduce. So I've got some cut up asparagus and broccolini. Delicious. I'm gonna crank up the heat so that wine keeps reducing. But this is just a super quick pasta. There's nothing complicated about it. I love broccolini. It does take a little bit more time than broccoli takes. You would think it would be similar, but the stalks of the broccolini are quite a bit tougher. So it's good to get them in this sauce and start the cooking process. Oh, yum,
Didn't
yum.
know that.
Yeah. I've
More you
made the
know.
mistake many times. Salt and pepper. And then where the rubber meets the road. Now that the wine is really reduced, I'm gonna add in heavy cream. And there's more to add to this, but I'm gonna let this simmer in this state for a little while. The pasta is finished cooking, so I'll drain all the water. And the sauce really cooked down. It's super thick. The broccolini is tender. So is the asparagus. So in goes the pasta. And then I'll give it a little stir. And then you've got to add some lemon juice. It just adds amazing, fresh, citrusy flavor and lemon zest. And then, for good measure, a generous amount of Parmesan. Save a little for the top. And then, Alex, come on. This is you here. This is all about you here. Look at that lemon zest.
My cup of tea.
Yeah, and it's just coating the noodles absolutely perfectly, so there's not like an excess amount of sauce at all. So I'll kind of nestle the chicken breasts into the pasta. You can slice the chicken if you like, but I kind of like to see what's going on here. See that big, beautiful chicken. And then some Parmesan shavings and some torn basil leaves. What a stunner of a chicken pasta dish. Would you rather have the chicken sliced, diced, or do you like it whole?
I kind of like it whole.
Yeah, I kind of do too. Okay, I want to get everything laid out so we can wrap our heads around this incredible date night menu. Okay, here is the pasta. Isn't it beautiful?
Wow.